5-step, not 5 hours. I opened up Traffic Maestro today, answered a few questions, and had a fully scripted, thumbnailed, published short form video and long form video to YouTube. And most people are still spending half their day just trying to figure out what to publish. So let's talk about what's actually inside HBA Premium, because the clock is running and every day you're not using this, you're leaving time and money on the table. Tools, training, coaching, and if you're an affiliate who refers others, $100 residual for every customer referral. Let's start with the tool, because this is where the speed lives. Traffic Maestro. The whole point of this tool is to take someone who knows very little about marketing and get them creating content that attracts leads and sales today. Not next week, today. The onboard process asks you a series of questions, and what it's doing behind the scenes is building a marketing profile for you. It's learning your story, your voice, and who you're talking to, and a whole bunch of other details it needs to know to help you create content in a short amount of time every single day. Once onboarding is done, you log into your dashboard. Simple daily plan. The intelligence is baked into the tool. So instead of spending hours watching training videos trying to figure it all out, the tool is smart so you don't have to be. You just show up and execute. Now here's where it gets good, and I mean really good. When it's time to create content, you walk through 4 or 5 simple steps, and your content is published for the day. Done. It writes the script, the title, the description. It even generates a thumbnail with your face on it. You can shoot the video right in the app, load up the teleprompter so you're not fumbling around with your words, and the editor lets you remove all the parts where you looked away from the camera with one click. Then it publishes to YouTube and other platforms with the click of a button. While everyone else is still staring at a blank screen at noon, you're already done. Massive time saver. Next up, Van Gogh AI Image Generator. It helps you create stunning AI marketing images, and yes, with your face in them. It includes a prompt assistant so you're not guessing, plus templates you can grab and use right away. No graphic design experience required. We also have an AI tool called PromptWrite. It's trained to help you create great sales and marketing copy fast. And if you've got prompts that you like and use over and over, you can save them right in the tool. Another time saver that keeps compounding the longer you use it. Now the training. We've got an archive of training that's helped us to sell over $10 million worth of products online, all focused on traffic, leads, and sales. You can go through it at your own pace or tune into the daily traffic and conversions mastermind. Here you can watch an experienced marketer create marketing right in front of you, over the shoulder, live. Every single day, there's a new opportunity to sharpen your skill and shorten your learning curve. The coaching comes in about the 45-minute mark of the TNC. You can ask questions or get your marketing reviewed by expert marketers who've been doing this a long time. That kind of feedback loop is rare unless you're willing to pay thousands of dollars, and it accelerates everything. And lastly, the money part. Pay attention here. If you decide to share this product with others, you earn a $100 residual commission for every customer referral. That means you only need 2 referrals to be in positive cash flow. A handful of customers and you're covering your car payment or your house payment. 30 active customers produces $3,000 per month in residual income. The 80% commission rate means you can build freedom faster with far fewer sales than most programs require. The math works in your favor, but only if you start. So that's what you get with HBA Premium starting in June of 2026. So if you've been watching content like this for a while and haven't made a move yet, this is the moment to stop browsing and start building. Go check out what's waiting for you at onlinegoldrush.com. I also put the link in the description below. Don't let another day pass by doing it the slow way. Thanks for watching, and whatever you do, always go for your dreams.